Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking for a youth full-blown three-piece suit, this video is for you. So this company sent this to us and said, hey, can you try it on? You can see how it looks in person. Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this be provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. So this is a full-blown three-piece suit in a navy blue color. Very, very nice. And it comes with a variety of different pieces. So it has the jacket. It comes with a little accent here piece right here. It does come with a black tie. It also comes with a blue striped tie. Looks like this. It has clips to make it easy for on and off, and it can be adjusted. The black tie here is on a elastic that goes all the way around. This can be interchanged. It does come with a button-down shirt, as you can see there. Has pants. Also has a vest, and it has suspenders. Kind of giving a walk around. It has pockets on the front here. These pockets are pretty much for looks, not really for function. On the inside, you have a pocket here. Very nice. Nice inside material there. There's also a pocket on this side. This just happens to be a size 20. Kind of give you an idea what it looks like and the fit. Going all the way around, it has these pieces here that can be clipped if you want more of a flowing open style jacket in the back, which is kind of standard with most sport coat options. The suspenders are on the inside here. They clip here, and they are adjustable. So these are elastic, and they have adjustables that go all the way up and down. Very, very nice. The material is it's pretty soft material. The stitching, everything looks like it's been done very well. How's it fit?
Fits pretty good.
Fits pretty good. So if you're looking for a all-in-one, got everything. The only thing it doesn't say, the only thing it does not include is a belt, because you can kind of do whatever you want as far as a belt. It does have belt loops. And then your own shoes and socks. But after that, jacket, vest, suspenders, ties, 2 ties, white shirt, pants, the whole bit. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this three-piece suit, and we'll talk to you soon.